We'll guide you through how to make neon text in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, double-click the application to open it and begin the editing process. You can choose blank project if you want to use a solid background for your video. For this example, click Import Content to import a prepared background. Select the video that will be used as the background, then click the Open button. Adjust the project title to match the tutorial. For example, how to make neon text in VSDC. Click the Finish button to create the project. Next, go to the Properties window and review the available settings. Scroll down slightly, then enable the Stretch Image option so the background fills the scene properly. Next, click the Add Object menu in the upper left corner. Select the Text option, then choose Text again from the choices. Leave the object position settings at their default values, then click the OK button to continue. Create a text box with a size that suits your needs and fits well within the preview area. Type neon text as an example so you have content to customize. Change the stroke value to 0 pixels to remove the text outline. Then change the font, for example, to 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 Light for a cleaner appearance. Adjust the font size and set the paragraph alignment to the center of the text box so the text looks balanced. Next, select the text object, then open the Video Effects menu to add an enhancement. Choose the Nature option, then select Shadow from the list of available effects. Leave the object position settings at their default values, then click the OK button to apply the effect. Go to the Properties window on the right side to modify the shadow settings. Set the light angle value to 0 degrees. Change the shadow color, for example, to purple to create a neon-style appearance. Next, find the shadow max size setting and change it to 100 as an example. View the result in the preview window.